When you're first getting started with Thrive Apprentice, one of the things you're going to want to do is power through its wizard. The wizard is going to allow you to customize the appearance of your school by letting you pick out some starting point templates and some global elements. You'll need a logo for your online university, you'll need a template for all of your lessons, and so on. And yes, you will most certainly be able to customize everything about them, down to the very last pixel. It is worth mentioning that if you're using Thrive Theme Builder as your website's theme, you can inherit some of your site's properties like your header and your footer to maintain consistency and speed things up.